be underline the nouns in the following story. Here I have written the story of Chutki, and first of all I'll explain the story. Okay, after that we will find nouns from this story. Now I read and explain the story of Chutki. Chutki the milkmaid was going to the market carrying a pail of milk on her head. चुटकी वो मिल्कमेड है, वो मार्केट में जा रही थी। क्या लेके जा रही थी? Carrying a pail of milk. What do you mean by pail? Means bucket. Means bucket of milk. ये मिल्क का बकेट उनके हेड के ऊपर लेके जा रही थी। As she went along, वो ऐसे ही जा रही थी, and she began to think what she would do with the money would get after selling the milk. और वो जाते जाते सोचने लगी थी कि मैं ये मिल्क सेल करके आऊं, उसके बाद उस मनी का मैं क्या करूंगी? I will buy some hands from Ramu. तो उस चुटकी ने सोचा कि मैं तो उस मनी में से हैंड्स बाय करूंगी। किसके पास से? फ्रॉम रामू। अब वो रामू कौन है? द फार्मर। उस फार्मर के पास से मैं हैंड्स खरीदूंगी। सेड चुटकी टू हरसेल्फ। अब ये बात चुटकी अपने आप को कह रही है। एंड they will lay eggs each morning. वो हैंड्स में खरीदूंगी, उसके बाद हर मॉर्निंग वो मुझे एग देगी, मतलब वो एग ले करेंगी, એટલે કે લે એટલે મૂકવું. After that, which I will sell to सुधा चाची, और वो एग्स में सुधा चाची को सेल करूंगी. SELL सेल એટલે बेचना. Now with the money that I get from the sale of the eggs, उस मनी में से मैं क्या करूंगी? I get from the sale of the eggs. SALE सेल मतलब जो बाजार में साड़ी का सेल होता है ना, वैसा यहाँ पे एग का सेल उन्होंने करने का सोचा है. ओके, so after that I will buy a red घाघरा, और उस मनी में से मैं क्या खरीदूंगी? यस, रेड घाघरा. ओके, घाघरा मतलब चनियो. ओके, एंड सिल्वर पायल्स, जो पैरों में पहना जाता है, पायल, वो खरीदूंगी. फ्रॉम द फेयर, वो कहाँ से? यस, फेयर. आपको पता है जन्माष्टमी फेयर होता ही है, ठीक है, उसमें से ये सब कुछ मिलता ही है. तो उन्होंने सोचा कि मैं फेयर में से घाघरा एंड पायल खरीद लूंगी. आई विल लुक ब्यूटीफुल, उसके बाद मैं कैसे दिखूंगी? ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही सुंदर. एंड एवरी गर्ल वुड बी जेलस ऑफ मी, और दूसरी सारी गर्ल्स है वो मेरे से जेलस होगी. बट आई वॉन्ट केयर, मतलब मुझे उसकी केयर नहीं है. I will look at them, मैंने उसके सामने देखा, and swing my hair like this, और मैंने मेरे हेयर है वो swing किए, मतलब हलाए. As चुटकी spoke these words, चुटकी ने ऐसे वर्ड्स बोले, she tossed her head back, और उन्होंने अपना हेड है वो बैक किया, मतलब ये पाछड़ जोયું. एंड द पेल फेल ऑफ, और उसका जो मिल्क का जो बकेट था पूरा वो गिर गया. एंड स्पीलिंग द मिल्क ऑन द ग्राउंड. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्पीलिंग? स्पीलिंग मीन्स ढुलाई जવું. सो उनका पूरा मिल्क था वो ग्राउंड में गिर गया. Now we will find nouns from these story. So I read each sentence. मैं जहाँ पे full stop आएगा वहाँ पे मैं stop हो जाऊंगी. तब तक हम उस sentence में nouns find करेंगे. So I read sentence number 1. Chutki, the milkmaid, was going to the market carrying a pail of milk on her head. Full stop is here. So we have to stop for a while and we have to find out the noun. Now, which word is a noun? Yes, Chutki is the name of a person. So we have to do the underline. Now, another word milkmaid. Also we have to include it in person. इसे भी person ही करेंगे. Now next, was going to the market. Yes, market is the name of a place. So we have to do the underline. Carrying a pail. Yes, pail, bucket. It's the name of a thing. So we have to do the underline. Next, milk. You all know very well. It's the name of a thing. So underline the word milk. And last word of this sentence, head. It's the name of body part. So we have to do the underline on the word head. Now we will move forward on second sentence. As she went along, she began to think what she would do with the money would get after selling the milk. Here full stop is there, so we have to stop for a while and we have to find out the noun. Okay, so as she went along, she began to think what she would do with the money. Money is the name of a thing, so we have to do the underline. Money would get after selling the milk. Okay, so we have to do the underline. The word milk is the name of a thing. Now I will buy some hands from Ramu. मेरे अब इसमें से noun कौन सा है? आपको पता है hands is the name of an animal. Yes. Now next, Ramu is the name of a person and the farmer. So farmer also we have to include it in a person. Said Chutki to herself. So Chutki also we have to underline the word. Okay. Now next, and they will lay eggs each morning. Okay, so they will lay eggs each morning. So eggs is the name of a thing. Morning, it's a naming word. So we have to do the underline, which I will sell to Sudha Chachi. Okay, so Sudha Chachi, we also underline both the words Sudha Chachi. And next, with the money that I get from the sale of the eggs. SLE sale is the name of a place. Eggs also we have to do the thing, underline that word. क्योंकि eggs है वो thing है. I will buy a red ghagra and silver piles from the field. From this sentence, yes, ghagra is a thing, name of a thing. Piles also we can say it's the name of a thing. And field, it is the name of a place. So we have to do the underline all the three words from this sentence: ghagra, piles, and field. Now I will look beautiful and every girl would be jealous of me. So from this sentence, which word is noun? Yes, girl. It's the name of a girl. Girl is the name of a person. Now, but I want cake. I will look Now, because it's a body part. As Chutki spoke these words. From this sentence, Chutki is a noun and words, we can say it's a naming words. Now, she tossed her head. From this sentence, head, we have to do the underline on the word head because it is included in a body part. Okay? So, next, head, back and the pail fell off. Pail, we have to include it in thing. क्योंकि fail means bucket, तो वो thing में आएगा. Fell off, spilling the milk. So we have to include it in thing. On the ground. Ground is the name of a place. So like this, we have to find nouns from this story.
आभार।